Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got a very unusual radio for you today. It's from Jeff's collection. Jeff brings me radios out of his collection to review. And this one's a little different. Jeff buys a lot of radios off of Facebook Marketplace and other places. And he was going to purchase this. So he was on his way to pick it up and pay for it, and he had car problems, actually truck problems, and so he was delayed. When he finally got there, the gentleman was so generous, he gave the radio to Jeff. I don't know what the gentleman was asking for, but I checked on eBay this morning, and these things are going for $100. $100. Let me show you what it is. This is a classic. Move this out of the way. Nice pouch, soft pouch. And there it is. This is a Zenith 500. AM only. Very, very heavy. I don't know how many transistors, but it's got a bunch of transistors. Jeff had this completely overhauled, new capacitors, realigned, and it's in mint condition now. It's got a stand. That's pretty nice. And like I say, this is very, very popular in the collector's line. There was a predecessor to this one. It was also called the 500, which had two speakers side by side, and it looked like an owl, so they named it the Owl Radio. Let me turn this on. Boy, it is heavy. I can't believe how massive this is. It takes, excuse me, 4 AA batteries. It requires the removal of 2 screws, one here, one down here, to get the back cover off. Let me just turn it on for you.
I love it. Thank you.
Getting a little bit of interference.
First thing I want to talk about, without a doubt, is the linkers.
Yeah, it's directional.
And being from Dallas, I can imagine you understand why.
Now, I don't know if I could show it to you, but watch. Let me turn the volume down. Watch the tuning dial. It is, I'll call it geared. It's not direct tuning, so it tunes real slow, real smooth. Let me see if I can illustrate that to you. Come on, camera. I don't know if I'm in focus or not. See that? That is unbelievable.
We were 15 years old, and I have a lot to say about Donald Trump.
Yeah, probably wants to face the other direction. He turned this direction.
Reception at 5:30 and dinner and program at 6:30. Reserve your seats now. For information,
Yeah.
Hillsborough.
Like most radios, it wants to face this way because the stations are that way.
Breaking news at srnnews.com.
And it's kind of a bummer because we already know that it's going to happen this way. People hold
Pretty
on
good
to
size
the NFL
speaker.
all the time, and it's
Mint condition.
probably going to end up happening in the
Earphone jack.
as well. It's a bummer because
Nice radio. And like I say, you got it for free. It's sold on eBay now for at least $100. $100. Boy, you lucked out here, Jeff. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks to Jeff for bringing me these radios to show to you. And have a great day. Bye-bye.